Everyone, this is for class 9th history, chapter 2, American War of Introduction. American War of Independence. 13 British colonies in America. At the benefit of King Henry II, the English navigator started undertaking expeditions. Virginia was the first colony founded by the British in 1607. Thereafter, the British founded the following colonies in North America: Virginia, Connecticut, Delaware, Georgia, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New York, North Carolina, South Carolina, Peninsula, Rhode Island, New Jersey. Please see the map showing 13 colonies in America. So this is Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Maryland, Delaware, Peninsula, New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts. These 13 colonies were ruled by governors appointed by British monarch. Legislatures were established in each of these colonies to provide participation of the local population in the colonies. The colonies legislature were given deliberative powers. However, the governors were given the power to veto any legislation considered against the British interest enacted by colonial legislation. Besides, the British Parliament had the power to regulate the affair of colonies by enacting laws. The military was also placed under control of the British. Owing to geographical distance, the colonies enjoyed sufficient autonomy in the colony affair. So, continuation of next session, I will continue in the next session, that is causes of American War of Independence. Thanks for watching.